Earnings. Yes, very volatile session today with the NASDAQ ending up near the flatline. S&P's up about 1/3%, and the Dow up just about 150 points. We've got Meta, Microsoft, Tesla. They're behind us. Apple after the close today. Amazon, Google, or Alphabet next week. The Fed yesterday, they paused cutting rates. We all know that, and that was as expected. But they did note that inflation remains somewhat elevated. Though this morning, the ECB announced a 25 basis point cut today with rates down to a 2-year low. Bonds held steady yesterday. Today, they rallied a bit. The 10-year had traded down below 4.5%, settled at 4.53. Earlier this morning, GDP grew at only a 2.3% rate in the fourth quarter, which was below the 2.5% expected pace. That's down significantly from 3.1% last quarter. Also, initial jobless claims fell by 16,000 to 207,000. ES option data. Yesterday, there was large opening volume on today's expiring far out of the money 62.95 calls. Today, huge volume on today's expiring 60.50 puts and 6,100 calls. ES implied vol dropped a little today and it now sits at about 12% for tomorrow's expiration. But equity futures and options open interest continues to increase. Now it's almost 11 million contracts. And yesterday, the number of ES call options that traded, that rose to about 38%. That's been around 32% recently. And Bitcoin rallied as high as 106,500 today. The combined January and February micro Bitcoin futures volume at CME, about 60,000 today. And exciting news, pending all relevant reviews effective Sunday, February 23rd for trade Monday, February 24th, CME is listing options on Bitcoin Friday futures contracts.